Facebook, YouTube. We're at it again. We're on the first job of 2 today. We're in beautiful Waterloo, Illinois. And next job we have is in Columbia. But yeah, guys, happy Wednesday to you. We got a total of 4 areas right now, and we have another carpet job with 5 areas. Stay tuned. Pre-treating the carpets now. There's a Berber carpet, and the rest is your standard polyester. Beautiful day out there today. I love this kind of weather. Just like summer out there, guys. Stay tuned for some results, as always. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, got this area here, which is a Berber carpet. We already did pre-treat these areas. Got a kitchen. Again, this older home. Kitchen and carpet in the kitchen. Got this hallway, which is another Berber carpet. And then we have this bedroom. It needs attention. They do know that this is cosmetic. The ruffles are going to stay, but we're going to spin the soil, get that removed. And they have older carpet. We're not doing those rooms over there. So, alright guys, letting it dwell to suspend the soil load. We did have some areas of concern, you know, general soil, food items, organic spills, things of that nature. We're going to effectively and safely remove those and suspend those today for them, and then get it back to the original state. They are excited. If you guys are here, this smells absolutely divine. And yeah, guys, this is just the maintenance clean. Alright guys, stay tuned. Again, guys, this is a Berber carpet. This is a maintenance clean, and they're just getting it clean so they can extend the life of it. This carpet's about 30 years old. That's why it's always important to get it clean and maintained, guys. As you can see, just look at that difference already. Look at that, guys. Alright guys, I'm going to finish up. Wow. Alright guys, stay tuned. Amazing, guys.